They say the ocean keeps its secrets better than any vault on Earth. And in 1968, off the coast of Bimini in the Bahamas, something rose from the blue that made scientists, divers, and dreamers stop and question everything they thought they knew. It began on a tranquil afternoon, the water so clear it looked like molten glass poured across the sea. A team of snorkelers drifted over what they believed was just another coral shelf until one of them froze, pointing downward at a line, no, a road, that seemed far too perfect to be natural. Massive limestone blocks, some as long as cars, stretched out in a formation so straight, so deliberate, it looked like the remains of an ancient highway leading into the deep. The divers surfaced in a frenzy, breathless with excitement. Had they found evidence of an unknown civilization? Or worse, had they stumbled onto a lost chapter of human history? News spread fast. Within weeks, Bimini became the center of a storm. Archaeologists flew in with notebooks and skepticism. Geologists arrived with chisels and certainty. Treasure hunters came with greed. And in the middle of it all, the local fishermen just shook their heads because they'd been seeing strange things beneath those waves for generations. The scientists insisted the road was nothing more than beach rock, natural limestone fractured by tides, hardened by time, a geological quirk. But others weren't convinced. The blocks were too uniform, too aligned, too intentional. Some pointed to legends of Atlantis, to stories of vanished islands swallowed by the sea. Others suggested an undocumented culture, a people skilled in stonework whose traces remained only in these quiet waters. Years passed. More dives, more debates, more questions. And then came the moment that reignited everything. A diver filming the site during a storm surge captured something eerie. As the waves churned above, the blocks seemed to slot together in patterns, like pieces of a puzzle waiting to be solved. Even experts couldn't agree on what they were seeing. Natural formation or architectural design? The mystery deepened. Studies contradicted each other, theories tangled like drifting kelp. Yet the Bimini Road remained, silent and unmoved, its lines stretching into a shadowy distance no one had fully mapped, as if daring explorers to follow. In the end, one truth became impossible to ignore. Whether sculpted by nature or shaped by forgotten hands, the Bimini Road forces us to confront a thrilling possibility that the ocean still hides stories older than memory, waiting for someone brave enough to listen. If you enjoyed this mystery, please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow.